Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your lighting store. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a one-page website. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. The service only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. So once you join the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top now, and I'm going to search my market, lighting store. And there it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our lighting store so it can generate a one-page website for us. Let's go ahead and put in our company name. As well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where you're located in the world, you can use the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change our type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our email address. I'm now going to click on continue. Where is our lighting store located? What is our street address? Let's go ahead and pop in those details. And let's move along. Let's get our hours set up. What time does our lighting store open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. and we close at, say, around 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week. Let's click on continue and let's move along. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order. Everything looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. If you need to make amendments, all you need to do is click on update location or update hours and make those changes. So look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me for my lighting store in less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, just as a guideline, and we pre-selected all the images. They are all super high quality and they are all completely free to use, no licenses needed. However, if you've got your own images of your lighting store, the products you stock, and you want to make a few amendments to those guidelines, today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that, how to make the changes, and how simple it is to do. You don't need to know any coding whatsoever. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer either with a huge budget. I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works, make my way through each section. So let's get cracking. I'm now going to head to update section at the top. And the first thing I want to do today is to make sure my email address is displayed on my website next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way, so my customers can easily get in touch with me. Let's make sure that's saved. We've already put in our physical location, and as you can see, it's displayed in the top left-hand corner of your Marty Sites website. The great thing about it is when your customers do click on that physical location, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your lighting store. Let's head to update social links. Over here, you can put in your various social media platforms. The icons will be displayed in the top right-hand corner next to that email address. Let's move along. I'm now going to head to update logo. Now, if you don't quite have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Your name will just be displayed here, and it still looks really great if you're in the startup process of launching your small business. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are some great free options there. But I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse from my device, and I'm going to actually go ahead and upload it. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click on save. Great, look at that. That looks really awesome. You can make it bigger and smaller to suit your needs, but I'm quite happy with that sizing that it is. So I'm going to go ahead and save, and now I'm going to move along. Now with Marcy Sites, as I said, we've pre-selected all the images for you. We pre-written all the content as well, and we've even pre-selected the colors used throughout the website. However, if your branding is completely different, it's not this royal blue, I guess you could call it, and your logo, the signage throughout your lighting store is a completely different color, that's completely okay. You don't need to know color coding to make amendments. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket over here in the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different options available and just see which one works for you and your business. So I really like this one. I'm going to go ahead and save that one, and let's move along. We're making such great progress. Over here, I'm going to head to update section, and the first thing I want to do is update my image. Now, if you do have your own images, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. Otherwise, go ahead and search through that photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and they are all completely free to use. Now, I must say you can play around with the terms a little bit. It automatically is searching for lighting store, but you can also search for lighting and various other things just to see what pops up. I think this one looks great, so I'm going to select that one and just see how it fits in that section over there. I'm going to check it out, but let's have a look. Okay, that works okay. I could have a better image with that fits there, so I'm going to reselect my options and just see what is available. Let's take a closer look. Let's try this one out. That actually looks quite fabulous. Let's check it out. Yep, that one works perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and save that image selection. Now I'm going to hit to update contents. And over here, you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say get in touch. Perhaps you wanted to say get directions. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that in here and show you how to link it to various other places. Now you can link to another website if necessary. You can link to an action like click to call, directions, click to email. So I'm going to link to directions over here. Another one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to a PDF file. So over there, I suggest you maybe put a catalog of all the different light products you stock, maybe your current promotions or deals or offers. Pop it in a PDF file and upload it. So when your customers click on that button, they can easily find it. Let's move along. Now over here, again, pre-written content. We just wanted to make the process of launching a one-page website for your lighting store as simple as possible. We understand there's so many other things to worry about and to do. So we wanted to take care of this process for you. However, if you want to link that button to somewhere else or you want to change the contents, all you need to do is click on update section over here. It's such a breeze. I've now made my way into the about us section. So over here, I can pop in a little bit more details of how my lighting store came to be, how I get started on the industry, what more about my friendly team. Can you offer expert advice and recommendations to your customers? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Do you also offer customized lighting design services? Can you custom design some lights for your clients? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Image, another great spot for a high quality image, but go ahead and upload one of your own if you have one. Otherwise, search through that photo library. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. I'm happy with this one. It's perfectly suitable for my lighting store, so I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. Well, we've just made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your lighting store offers. Do you stock chandeliers, ceiling lights, bathroom lighting, outdoor lighting, interior lighting? Maybe you also stock or have ceiling fans in your store. go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know what exactly they can come to you for. If you need to make any changes to those hours or that physical location, all you need to do is click on update section over here. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website. We've launched a website, put our details in, gone through the images, made some changes, changed the color palettes, in literally less than 10 minutes. It was so simple to do. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to ask anyone for assistance like a web developer. It was such a breeze. It was such a pleasure to work with. Remember, the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't need to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link and give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how well the service is to use. If you have a custom domain, you can link it. All you need to do is click on connect your domain over here and link to that domain. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available with a step-by-step guide, as well as a blog post over on our blog, www.martysites.com. Let's check it out quickly. You can also find some great marketing tips for your small business on how to market it online. Lots of great handy articles to read through, so check it out. If you don't have a custom domain yet and you really want one because you understand with a professional website comes a custom domain, you can now purchase your domain through Mighty Sites. We've just recently added the feature. We're so happy with it. And now we've made it as easy as possible for your websites. We wanted to help you and just make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching that website. So now you can purchase your custom domain through Mighty Sites. It's really great. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you need any more assistance or if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see on the Mighty Sites platform in the future, do comment below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.